All right, y'all. So welcome back to part two of my wig making video. If you have not seen part one, girl, click the link below. Watch part one because part two is the styling. Part one was just like how I actually make my wigs. So I decided I'm gonna put some barrel curls in this wig because I think that will look cute. Like, I think some barrel curls, can't even talk. I think some barrel curls will look really cute. So I have my barrel curl. I don't know how big this is. Yeah, I don't see it. But it's a Tai Chi, Tyche. Got it from the beauty supply store. But I'm just gonna curl this hair like going backwards, just to style it a little bit. It's interesting. Okay, you get a little light curl, but it does curl. And since it's mixed with synthetic, I'm just gonna scrunch it up just so the curls can form like that. That's cute. That is really cute. All right, so the curling part was easy. I don't remember what I had my setting on, like to curl it, because like my curling iron, it doesn't have the numbers on it. You just like press buttons to go up and down on the heat setting. Also with the back hair, which was the Milky Way hair, that was like a master mix, that was a little bit more harder to curl. So if you get this Milky Way hair, what I recommend is when you curl it, pin curl it and let the curls cool down so that you will be able to so that your curl will form. You want to let that cool down so that the curl can form really nicely. So if you see me putting like the bobby pins in, that's what I'm doing. I'm just pin curling it. It doesn't matter how you pin curl it, girl, just as long as the curl is being held so that it can cool and form an actual curl. Now you can spray some hairspray on it too. That'll help hold the curl, but it's completely up to you. But yeah, that's just how that Milky Way curls. But for instance, the top, which is human hair, like 100% human hair, it curled better. I didn't have to pin curl it, but I did anyway because I like for my bang to be layered and razored and cut. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cut my bang as well to get that feathered effect. And yeah, what I'm doing now is just using my hairspray just to kind of flatten out the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and curl that. Now, the key to getting, like, I call them glamorous, nice curls, is to curl backwards. If you curl forwards, I mean, it's going to be cute, but, like, it's just not going to give you that look. You know what I'm saying? So I just always curl my curls going backwards. That's just the look I like. You can curl them however you want. Now I'm just going to take the clips or the bobby pins out of my bang. I always comb my bang back to see where I need to trim just to define that layer a little bit more, because like I said, I like a nice layered look on my bang. So I'm just going to pull out a little bit of it and I'm just going to cut it going down at an angle. I start lower, and then if I if I think I need like my layers to be a little bit shorter, I'll just retrim it. Like, it's super easy. And so once I have it cut to the length I want it, I'm just going to curl it again just to define the new layers that I've put in my hair and let that sit. Once it's done, I'm going to take it out and I'm just going to comb it back. And when I say once it's done, that's basically like once it cools down. then you can go ahead and, do what you do. So this is how it looks, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed these two videos. If you have not seen part one of how I made this wig, go ahead and check the link in the description bar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram, y'all. My Instagram is @slay_by_Tamia. This is affordable hair. And yeah, I just hope you guys love it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.